In a cozy, rain-washed 3D Pixar-style city, everyone faces struggles, but Ilara has it the worst. Ilara is a young girl with an angelic, cute face, a slim figure, and extremely long, shiny hair. She is carrying a heavy heart because her grandfather is deeply sick. One rainy night, while walking down a dark alley, she finds a glowing antique shop that wasn't there before. The sign reads, "The Shadow Shop. Trade what you don't need." Inside, a mysterious shopkeeper with a high, slim face and a mysterious aura welcomes her with a calculating smile. The dialogue, the shopkeeper whispers, "I can cure your grandfather, but I don't take money. I take bad memories. Give me your saddest memory, and he will walk again." Ilara is shocked but desperate. She agrees. The shopkeeper uses a glowing glass jar to gently pull a dark, foggy mist from her head. The visuals. The mist enters the jar, and instantly Ilara feels incredibly happy, her face turning into a pure, joyful, glowing expression. She runs home to find her grandfather completely healthy and smiling. Days pass. Ilara is happy, but something is wrong. Because she gave away her sad memory, the memory of her grandmother passing away years ago, she realizes she has also forgotten the lessons of love and empathy that came with that sadness. When she sees a friend crying at school, Ilara feels completely empty. She can't feel empathy anymore. Her face looks blank, sad, and dissatisfied. The psychology. Our darkest memories often hold the keys to our brightest traits. Without sadness, human connection becomes impossible. Ilara realizes she is turning into an emotionless robot. Ilara runs back to the dark alley at midnight. The shadow shop appears again through the fog. She bursts through the door, her extremely long, shiny hair messy from the wind, her face showing a panicked, terrified expression. She demands her sad memory back. The shopkeeper laughs, a stylish but cruel sound, lips moving. "A trade is a trade. If you want your sadness back, your grandfather's sickness will return." Ilara stands in front of the counter, her slim figure trembling, but her eyes filled with a brave, determined expression. At that moment, her grandfather walks into the shop. He had followed her. He looks at Ilara and says, "My dear, a life without love and empathy is not a life at all. Let me go, but keep your beautiful heart alive." Tears stream down Ilara's angelic face. She looks at the shopkeeper and nods. She smashes the glass jar, and the dark mist flows back into her heart. The shop vanishes in a flash of light. They are back in their warm living room. Her grandfather is weak again, resting in his chair, but Ilara is holding his hand, crying tears of both grief and pure love. Conclusion. She understands now that sadness isn't a weakness, it's what makes love real. The story ends with a beautiful cinematic shot of Ilara smiling through her tears as she hugs her grandfather, with the final message, "Our scars are not our weaknesses. They are the maps that guide our hearts to love."